In primetime news this evening, a messy affair. Authorities shut down popular crab circle due to unsanitary practices. Pick up the phone. Multiple health centers unavailable for emergency calls. And a tragedy in St. James. School bus driver dead following crash in Long Hill.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, Unicom, a group which operates courts and Ready Cash and a number of other companies in Jamaica, they say they're keen on continued expansion in the country. So I'll have the details a little later on.
I thought you said they're key on continued expansion, but I leave that alone. Spencer Darlington has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Thank you very much, Archie. The Windies women were hoping to clinch their T20 International Series against Australia today, but they suffered a dramatic meltdown. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romaine is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks so much, Janella. Now, over the weekend, we are expecting shower and thunderstorm activity to be confined mostly to central and western parishes in the afternoons. Just a few showers are likely across the east in the afternoons this weekend.
There's also E-Prime and, as you know, the weather report and forecast in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking this evening, what's been your experience trying to contact health facilities in Jamaica?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.